Hello friends, how are you all? Hope you all are doing good. Welcome back to our channel E-Learning Kids Zone. Kids, today we are going to learn fruits name with spelling. So let's start. This is a apple. A-P-P-L-E, apple. Mango. M-A-N-G-O, mango. Pomegranate. P-O-M-E-G-R-A-N-A-T-E, pomegranate. Orange. O-R-A-N-G-E, orange. Pear. P-E-A-R, pear. Grapes. G-R-A-P-E-S, grapes. Banana. B-A-N-A-N-A, banana. Pineapple. P-I-N-E-A-P-P-L-E, pineapple. Papaya. P-A-P-A-Y-A, papaya. Custard apple. C-U-S-T-A-R-D-A-P-P-L-E, custard apple. Watermelon. W-A-T-E-R-M-E-L-O-N, watermelon. Guava. G-U-A-V-A, guava. Strawberry. S-T-R-A-W-B-E-R-R-Y, strawberry. Kiwi. K-I-W-I, kiwi. Lychee. L-Y-C-H-E-E, lychee. Hope you like the videos. For more videos, please subscribe our channel. Press the bell icon for more notifications. Like, share and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching, kids. Bye.